At first we need to know the difference between groups and channel. On the groups, all of the people who enjoy this group, they can send messages, they can talk to each other and do these kind of things. But on the channels, this is a specific one, just you and your admins can post and do this kind of things, and the viewers just they can have watch the channel. Okay, the only thing they can do is watching the posts, the videos and the messages that you send, like the YouTube channel. Okay, it's same as this. This is the difference between groups and the channels. I told the how to create groups, and in here we'll learn how to create new channel. Okay, type your channel name, add a photo on it, and add the description on it. If you want to have a pro channel, you can use the icons. Okay, these icons to make it cooler and the viewer watch it. This is a option, this is a good point of that. So you must add it on the description, you must add this kind of emojis on the description, and if you can add them on the channel name. Okay, I can type in where Telegram tutorial channel. Okay, then press on the checkbox. Okay, if you want to public channel or a private channel. Private channel, it means that only the person who has this link, they can join onto your channel. I told it on the group tutorial how to create link, customize link and this kind of things, but in here I need to press on the public channel. In here, Reza Telegram tutorial. Okay, we add the tutorial on our group, so it says the username is already taken. I add tutorials, add a S on it, and it is usable. I press on the checkbox. If you want, you can change it, don't worry about it, you can change the ID. In here again, I'm going to add myself and press on the next. Right now our channel is created successfully. In here, if you press on it, you can see clear history, search, mute. I told the mute on the group part, so if you want, you can watch it. What's the search part? For example, you post lots of things on the Telegram. Let me show it to you. For example, I type UUIOP GHNI. Okay, imagine these are lots of messages on here. In here, for example, I start searching I and press on the enter. Okay, one target is fine for me. One message has this I alphabet on it. For example, if it is a word, okay, it does not matter, just the alphabet. For example, if you type Telegram and press search, nothing, it will be fine. Okay, because none of the admins or none of the creators post Telegram on this channel, so you don't find anything on it. This is the best way to find content on the Telegram channels, so is a good point of that. I show it to you. I told the search clear history. Okay, do you want to clear channel history on the Telegram tutorial channel? If you press on the yes, all of the things that you have post it will be deleted. Okay, you have the undo button. Okay, for example, your hands just do it, you have 5 seconds to undo it. For example, you suddenly your hands press on it, you press on the undo and it will be come back. You have 5 seconds. Hurry up. Okay, what we have in here, admins and subscriber is same as the members on the group part. It is a playlist. If you don't watch that, watch the previous videos, because I create this video as a serial part, so you need to watch from the SF1 or video 1 until this course finished. This is the best way you can learn Telegram. On the edit, in here auto delete is the same. I told you, live, start live stream, share, add to home. What is the share? If you press on the share, this is new for I think. You can copy it in your clipboard, you can send it into your Telegram messages, SMS, WhatsApp, in other kind of social medias that you have, and the other options. For example, I press share and share it on our group on the Telegram tutorial. Let me put myself in here, press on the send. Okay, these are link. One check is delivered, two check it means read. Okay, it is just delivered for now, and none of the other users read it. This is the point of the Telegram you need to know. Again, we are on their channel. Let's see the other things. If you press on this QR code, you will see your channel QR code, so each of the people wants to join to your channel, they can scan this QR code. You can customize it. You can change it as daytime as the night theme. Okay, for example this one. Okay, it is good. Share QR code. Again, I choose Telegram. You have many other ways to send it to other, for example WhatsApp, Instagram, all of the social medias, and even you can copy it into your clipboard. Okay, I press on the send. This is the way that you send your QR code of your Telegram, so anyone scan this, he can usually join to your account. If you press on the edit, you can set a photo on the gallery or this kind of things, and you can also already use an emoji like we use on the groups. I didn't do it because my face it will be disabled, and I need to resume it. For example, green one with this emoji, eye emoji. Set channel photo. It will be our channel photo. Also, you can also use the stickers on the Telegram. Let me public it. I will tell you the stickers in the near videos. What is the stickers, how to use the stickers. Okay, we have description like our group. Channel type is public. Again, we have private it. If we want, we can private it. Manage invite links. I told you. RezaSediq saving content. What is it? It looks like YouTube. Okay, I publish this video on my channel. If someone use it, he will receive a strike, and YouTube says to him, this content is not for you. This in a simple way of the tutorial. In here you can change your link ID, link public ID. I told it in the groups, so this is not a good way to repeat them. If you don't watch the group tutorial, group part, you need to watch it. I tell the channel type. In here we have discussion. What is discussion? Let me add it. I use Telegram tutorial group which we created before, and press on the link group. What will be happen if you post something on the channel? Let me press on the check. I will teach you. It did not linked because on the group part we list our channel, so I need to go to the edit, disable topics. Let me do it again. Disable topics. Okay, right now we can link our groups into the channel. The error that we will see on the previous part, for example, I press on the edit, I add topics, then I want to close. It says unsaved changes. Do you want to save changes? If you press on the apply, your changes saved. The things you do, it will be saved. But if you press on the discard nothing, it will be saved. I press on the discard. Now let's try to link our channel. So we find a note that if the channel that we want to link it to it has discussion part, it won't be linked. I go to the channel. In here, add Telegram tutorial, link the group, and press saved. Let me post something. Okay, it is linked right now. So if you post something on your Telegram channel, your viewers, your subscribers, they can press on leave a comment, and they start typing what they think about your topic that you sent. It is a good way to increase your subscribers. In here, these are members. Increase your members in your channel and in your group. This is a pro note. Enable it on your groups. Okay, this is the discussion, and sign messages. What is sign messages? I enable it. For example, when I myself type something in here, okay, it says Reza, type it. Okay, my name on the Telegram is Reza, and it is a sign, so everyone knows that me post this. If you have lots of admins, it will appear for them. For example, one of your admins' names is, for example, Jack. It says Jack in here. You will see Jack. Let me use this paint one in here. I mean, you will see Jack, so everyone can understand Jack posts this on the Telegram channel. This is a good feature. Okay, again we go to the settings. So if you don't have a group like me to join it into your channel, to link them in your channel, go out and create a group, then start doing the things that we do. It says who can send messages. If you press on only members, it means that only the members of your group, of your Telegram tutorial group, can discuss on the post that you publish. I recommend you to make it disable, not enable it. I go out and I told the sign. Reaction is like the group. Administrator, subscribers means the members like the group. Removed users, I told it on the groups. Recent actions, again I told it on the groups, so it's not another thing that you'll need to be worried about. These all of the things about creating a channel on the Telegram. I hope you like it.